Morning, my dear kids. How are you? I know all of you are doing very well. So, kids, today we are going to learn about these 4 words: this, that, these, and those. We are going to learn about this, and we already did it in class first. Let's revise it with me. 4 words are this, that, these, and those. First of all, we will learn about this and that. This, whenever an object or a thing is very close to you, then we use this. And if an object is far away from you, then we use that. Okay, if an object is far from you, then we use that. Let's take some examples. For example, this is a bowl. ये आपके बिल्कुल पास है, तो हमने क्या कहा? This is a bowl. Whenever a thing is very close to you, then we use this. ठीक है, ये बिल्कुल पास है, तो हमने क्या कहा? This is a bowl. लेकिन अब एक बोल है जो बहुत दूर है आपसे, तो आपने कहा That is a bowl. आप क्या कहेंगे? That is a bowl. This is a bowl. जब आपके पास कोई चीज है, जब आपसे दूर कोई चीज है, तो आप यूज करेंगे That is a bowl. Let's take another example. I'm removing it. I'm saying this is a spoon. This is a spoon. क्योंकि मेरे बिल्कुल पास है, तो हम क्या कहेंगे? This is a spoon. लेकिन अगर ये स्पून बहुत दूर रखी है आपसे, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? That is a spoon. ठीक है, क्योंकि अब स्पून क्या हो गई? दूर हो गई, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? That is a spoon. This is a spoon because it is very close to you, and that is a spoon because it is far away from you. So, जब हमारे पास कोई चीज़ होती है, तो हम वहाँ this use करते हैं, और अगर कोई चीज़ दूर रखी है, तो हम use करते हैं that. Let's take one more example for this and that. I'm giving you, this is a color. This is a color. And if I tell you, यहाँ पर हमने एक दूसरा कलर रख दिया, That is a color. ये बिल्कुल पास है, इसीलिए हम क्या कह रहे हैं? This is a color. ये एक कलर है जो बिल्कुल पास रखा है. This is, वो बिल्कुल दूर है, तो That is a color. That is a color. So this is the difference between this and that. This मतलब जब आपके पास कोई चीज होती है, and that means whenever thing is far away from you, तब हम use करते हैं that. Okay, ये तो हुआ this and that. अब हम learn करेंगे this and these. Now we will learn about this and these. What is the difference between this and these? This means singular, only one, and these means plural, many. One, many. You already did it. This means singular and these mean plural. Example, this is a bowl. एक ही बोल है, इसलिए हमने क्या कहा? This. अब one bowl and 2 bowls. We called it these are bowls, क्योंकि plural हो गया. तो this मतलब one यानी कि singular, and these मतलब plural यानी कि many. जब बहुत सारे होते हैं और आपके पास रखे हैं, तो हम यूज करते हैं these. This का plural होता है these. This plural is these. Like I said, this is a bowl. ये bowl मेरे बिल्कुल पास रखी थी, and only one bowl is there, so I called it this bowl. But if number of bowls are many, more than 2, so we use these. बहुत सारी हैं और एकदम पास भी हैं तो हम यूज़ करते हैं these. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं this and these का. Again I am using the same. This spoon. Only one spoon is there, so I am using this because it is very close to me and we use this. But if I took 2 spoons, 1 spoon and 2 spoon, ठीक है, अब मैंने 2 स्पून ले ली और मेरे बिल्कुल पास भी हैं तो हम क्या कहेंगे, these are spoons, because this का प्लूरल होता है these, this means only one and these means more than one and also close to you. आपके पास भी है और प्लूरल भी है तो हम वहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं these are spoons. ठीक है, तो ये तो हुआ हमारा डिफरेंस this and these का. Now we will take another example of, जैसे हमने this and these किया वैसे ही हमारे पास होता है that and again second is those. that का प्लूरल होता है those. जब हमसे कोई चीज़ बहुत दूर होती है जिसे आप टच नहीं कर सकते पास से, आप उसमें यूज़ करते हो those and that. अगर सिंगुलर है तो आप यूज़ करेंगे that, अगर प्लूरल है तो आप यूज़ करेंगे those. Let's take some example, then you will understand it. Again I am using the same material. यहाँ पर हमने यूज़ किया bowl. अब ये बोल बहुत दूर है हमसे तो हम क्या कहेंगे, that is bowl. एक ही बोल है और दूर भी है तो हमने कहा that is bowl. लेकिन अगर bowls जो हैं बहुत सारी हैं, more than one है, like I am having 2 bowls and they are also very far away from us, तो हम कहेंगे those are bowls because they are far away from us and in number more than 1. जब 1 से ज़्यादा होंगे तो हम क्या कहेंगे, those. this, जैसे this का these हो जाता है तो that का प्लूरल those हो जाता है. that bowl, those bowls. दूर हैं इसीलिए that bowl and those bowls. Again taking another example, that pencil. ठीक है ना, एक पेंसिल है जो बहुत दूर रखी है तो हमने कहा that pencil. And if I am using 2 or 3 pencils which are also far away from me, then I called it those pencils. that pencil, those pencils. They are more than 1, so we called it those pencils. Okay, so this is the difference between this and that, those and this. So this, that, this, that, these, those. This, whenever a thing is close to you, whenever thing is very far from you, then we use that. If more than one thing is and very near to you, then we use these. And if thing is far away from you and also more than 2, so use those. This, जब कोई चीज़ बहुत पास है, that जब कोई चीज़ दूर है, these plural of this, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं लेकिन बिल्कुल पास रखी हैं तो हम यूज़ करेंगे these. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं लेकिन दूर रखी हैं तो those. I hope all of you will understand it in proper manner, enjoy it and go through video multiple times to understand in well manner. Okay, bye.